Leave your comment, good morning and welcome next video for the last comment share this video because it's very useful. Bro, how to use Huawei mobile router without battery. This is what I want to show to you. How to do this. Bro, it's not easy to do this. I made so much research to have this solution. Yes, but I'm here to share this to you. So, like, subscribe, share this video. You can also support our channel with donation via YouTube Super Things or PayPal. My link is on the homepage of my YouTube channel, just in the top. Okay? So, get ready. So, do this, you need to have your USB cable, new or old. You need to have a good USB cable to do this. Let me show you. What you see here is what I'm talking about. This is a new USB cable. It's not old, it's just new. I bought this and I cut his head to have what you see here. To do the job, you need a USB cable. Can you see this? USB cable. Can you see this? When you have this, you need to cut his head. Maybe his USB cable to USB Type-C, like me, it was USB Type-C here. So I cut this, and when you cut, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 wires. Can you see this? You need only 2, and 2 colors too. Okay? You need to have black color and red color. Can you see this? You need to have black and red. Now, when you have black and red color, you are ready to do the job. You can see I tire the black, I tire white and green here because I don't need it, so I tire this under. Now, when you have this, what will you do after? On my Instagram page, GNANGSTUDIO, I have made everything. Let me show you what I have done. As you can see, I have the same thing here, but as you can see here, this is the real color. As you can see, when you see this is like pink color, but here we have real red color. Red color mean plus and black color mean minus. Okay, so I have this. When I move, I have my cable here. Remember, USB, the same thing. And this is my Huawei mobile Wi-Fi. The version is here. This is version E5557S. I don't know if I can zoom. Okay, as you can see, E5573. Okay, as you can see, this is the model that I'm talking about. And when you open, you can see no battery inside. The battery is here, so no battery inside. And you have this. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here you have. We need to use only 2 of them. We need to use the first ear and the second ear. Just what you see in the corner. The first thing you see here is for red. This is where you need to connect a red wire. And what you see in the corner, just what you see in the corner just here is for black, which is mean minus, just minus. So you have red here and minus here. So put red here and black here. Okay, red and black here. Don't touch the both. You don't need it. So when you have a wire, you need to connect this directly in. You need to put this inside this thing you see here. Just put this under and tie a white color here, tie a white wire here too. I have used this thing that I used to make boot shock. I took this stiff to take it. Let me show to you how it look like. This is what I'm talking about. Just you take it, it's like your finger, you take it. So you take it and to take a wire from inside, because it's not easy to remove it from inside. So with this you have a possibility to do something like that. Can you see this? This is what you can do. You can take it, and it's very hard. So we need actually to add something like that, or yes, or this. It's very useful for this job. Very useful. And after what is happened, as you can see, our sausage tire the red color in the right position. After it, you need to tire now the black color in the corner. So this is what I'm trying to do here. As you can see, this is what I'm trying to do. So after this, now it's not tire in the right position, in the correct position. Now we have this. Can you see this? We have this. This is what I have done few minutes ago, and I'll show you right now. Quick review, fast and amazing. Can you see this? There are SIM cards inside. Oh, okay, as you can see, this is how it look like. It look very easy to do it, and as you can see, I have connected to my power bank and it will work. Can you see this? It will work. Connected to my power bank and it work, bro. It work. Can you see this? Yes. Sometimes you need to have also the good power bank, because some power bank not work very well. So you need to have a good power bank too. And yes. Can you see this? This is just crazy. And it work. As you can see, how to use Huawei mobile router without any battery. This is version 5573. I need to edit this. Okay, first of all, let me show to you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is cover, no battery. You can see no battery. Okay, and this mobile router is here. Can you see this? This mobile router is here. On the real life, I have two power banks. If one doesn't work well, you can have another one. As you can see, this cable is connected, and this is what I'm talking about. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking to you. This is the real life right now. You have red here and black. Yeah, yes, and yes. I'm now trying to test this. I'm testing this to see how many times it will work, to see everything. And okay, now let's try and see if it will work in real life. Okay, now you can see no battery inside. It's not a joke. Now let's press this button to try to turn on, and bim, the power button turn on, and you can see no battery inside, nothing. Can you imagine? Do you believe this? No battery inside, bro. No battery. No battery, my friend. No battery. Wow. Let's try. Wow. Let's try to put this. Yeah. This is with a connection. Yeah. Sometimes my network connection is bad. So yes. Now it's here. I can see. Okay, put this in correct position, and okay, good. I'm looking for good network. I don't know if I will receive. I'm trying to turn. I'm looking for a network. Okay, as you can see, it works. No problem, it's still working. You can test it by yourself. Maybe you have good network into your country. Okay, let's try to turn off this thing. 1, 2, 3. It's off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm good. I'm looking for good network. I'm looking for connection, good connection. You need to have, okay, green or yellow is going to go. So now I have my phone, for example, and I want to test this. This is Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Can you see this? So now I need to, okay, as you can see it's connected. This is his name, GNANGSTUDIO 4D mobile Wi-Fi. You can see it's connected, no problem. Okay, let me launch a page. Wait a minute, I want to launch my YouTube channel and show to you what I think. Everything. Okay, well, Ron Paul, this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, it works. Let's see if it's really joke. Connected, because everything is okay. As you can see, it's real. It works. It works. Change something here. It works, as you can see. Actualize the page. You can see it works. Actualize page. Let's try to go back. Look at that. Can you see it? Look. This is a new video. You're amazing, baby. And it works. I don't know what to do right now. After this, what you need to do is just to go on this clock application. Okay, wait a minute, I want to stop this. Okay, go. Now what you need to do for the test to see how many times it will work. You need to go on your clock and looking for stopwatch. Okay, launch it and see how many times it will work. As you can see, it's still working, and you can see notification from YouTube. As you can see, now you need to see how many times it will work. Secondly, try to connect this to all of your devices, okay, to see how it will work too. Okay, it's very important to do this. Very important to connect this to all of our devices. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy A55 is connected. As you can see to Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. As you can see, it's connected to. It's connected to. This is not a joke. Okay, nice. As you can see, wait, and it's still working. It's still working. Okay, you need to tire this very well. You need to tire this very well, because if you not tire very well, it will change its position and it will stop the connection. It will turn off. So tire this very well and use something to protect the wire. I will do this myself. I'll try to protect the wire with something like that, just to protect wire and okay, just I want to put this just to protect the wire and do more than this. Okay, thank you for watching, bro. What do you think about this? Battery is good, but it's better to use power bank. Yes, it's definitely better. Okay, cool. But this battery is still working, so I will keep it. I'll keep it too. I'll keep it. Okay. And let's see what I'm talking about. You can see this is what? 1500 milliampere. Can you believe it? I have to. And it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, thank you. Well, I don't know what you think about this, but I'm happy to have something like that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and get ready for the next movie. I'm so happy. Beautiful. One click. Boom. What? It work? Seriously? Ha!